Okay guys, so today we're going to install those rock rails on my 2017 Jeep Wrangler Big Bear. It's just 4 bolts. I got to take those existing rock rails off, the ones you see right there. Got to take those off, then we're going to put those on, and we're going to bring you along for the ride. All right, thanks. All right, so I'm going to take you down underneath here and kind of show you, give you a heads up what we're looking at here. But those are it right there. So those 2 bolts on either side of that center bolt is what we got to remove. The front one right here, and then if we go down here, that one right there. So the 2 bolts, so 4 bolts on each side. Alrighty. Let's see what we got, guys. You got to go up. No, hey, you got to bring it out and go kind of put that washer up in your flange. No, pull it out. Yep, there you go. Yours in? Mm-hmm. Really? Yeah. Awesome. All right, hold on here. Okay, I got 1 bolt in. I'm going to get you the other bolt here. If you're able to slide down a little bit, and I'll get in there. If you could. Perfect, you got it? Awesome. And that's pretty much it, guys, right there, man. We're gonna bolt these up and I'll show you the end product on this side. Okay, so I got the 4 bolts nuts in. Double check just to make sure they're tight. Yep, perfect. There we go, guys. That's all there is to it. One side's done, we'll get the other side. All right, guys, here's the passenger side. They're all in. Looking good. So, like I said, this took what? 15 minutes, 20 minutes for this side. I'll do the other side. Okay, I brought my daughter and my 2 nieces over to help me put this up in and hold it. So they're going to bring it and lift it up to me. So bring it over here. This is what it means having a bunch of kids. Alex had to leave on me. So get one in. Okay, and get the back one in. Good job, girls. All right, that's it. I got to put the other 2 bolts in. You guys can let go. And you can say hi to the camera if you want. Hi. This is Alyssa, Chloe, Sydney, 2 nieces, daughter. Thanks, girls. See ya. They were itching to get on YouTube, so I told them they could. Girls are funny. So as you guys can see, I've had not 1 problem putting these on. I've read a lot of reviews that some people are saying that they can't get them on, they don't line up. Well, I'll tell you guys, this is the honest truth. Not 1 problem here. Done, guys. How long did that take? Guys, like 8 minutes, okay? It's 5:48, I started at 5:38. I had to do I shut it off for a few minutes to do a few things off camera, but basically 10 minutes to put one side on. So literally, you could be done with this job in 15 minutes for both sides. Okay guys, that's the finished product. There's my Jeep, that's my baby. As you can see, they look really nice. Yeah, they're super, like I said, they were so easy to install. No problems whatsoever installing these. They look really sweet. I have basically 32.5-inch tires on there right now. So maybe one day I'll get a lift and maybe bigger tires, but you know, for now I think these look pretty good. Other side. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this install video. I hope it helps you out.